During this critical time where Corona is in its peak, I am here to share some important details. I am not going to speak about Corona, but about a similar deadly disease called the Spanish flu, caused by H1N1 influenza A virus. This flu started spreading during February and March of 1918 and lasted till 1919 April. It was at its peak for around 15 months. It spread from France to Spain, then to China, India, Japan, Somalia, Iran, and all the other countries in the world. Spanish flu spread in 4 different phases. Deaths that happened during the first stages of this virus was lesser compared to the deaths that happened during the second stage. During the second stage, millions of people died. However, the third and fourth stages were not very severe. The first and second stage of spreading of this disease was rapid and severe. Unfortunately, that was the time when the First World War came to an end. During the first phase, when people were unaware of the disease, it spread quick, and during the second phase, soldiers started gathering and traveling from one country to the other as simultaneously the First World War was ending. During the second phase, millions lost their lives. This influenza A virus was much similar to corona. It spread through air droplets when people sneezed and coughed. Those days there were no social media like Facebook, WhatsApp, or Twitter. It took long for the government to spread awareness about this disease to the people. 1/3 of the world's population was infected by Spanish flu, and nearly 5 crore people died all over the world. The virus started spreading in India during 1918 from Bombay in the month of June, and it was called Bombay influenza. It spread all over India. Nearly 1 crore people died due to this virus in our country. Coronavirus spreads easily among people who are 60 years and above, and those who have heart disease, those who are diabetic, and those who have respiratory problems. Surprisingly, the Spanish flu mostly affected young and healthy adults who were between 20 and 40 years old, especially ladies and pregnant women. Now let's look into the similarities between corona and the Spanish flu. Both spread rapidly and both are communicable. During 1918 Spanish flu, soldiers returned to their countries in large numbers. Now the same way, government has started to give relaxations and people are traveling from one place to the other. This is the most crucial time. We have to keep in mind relaxation is given by the government but not corona. Should not take this relaxation easily and start socializing with other people or move about in public places freely. If we do that, we will be facing the same situation that happened in the second phase of the Spanish flu. Death rate will be huge and turn uncontrollable. We have to keep in mind that there is no vaccine or any medicine discovered for this coronavirus. Therefore, we should maintain social distancing for at least another 4 to 6 months. Please avoid gathering in public places, especially markets. According to the research that was conducted about the spread of Spanish flu and the reason for it spreading rapidly during the second phase, scientists have discovered that the virus became vigorous and mutated itself. Now there are a lot of chances for the same situation to happen if we don't follow social distancing. I request each and every individual to maintain social distancing. Please wear masks and use hand sanitizers. Follow social distancing for at least 4 to 6 months. Let's stay safe. Thank you.